Hey everyone, it's Tuesday, October 20th. Today you are going to be using the story that you read yesterday, The Landlady, to look at how plot helps create the theme of a story. So go and check in on Campus and then go and click over here where it says plot and theme. Click on make a copy. This will make a copy for you so that it's fully editable and you can put all of your information right on here. So the first thing that we need to look at is the basic plot outline. So here we have our exposition is where we start out. This sets up our characters, our setting, background information we might need to know. It gives us a basic idea of who, what, when, and where. Then we have our rising action. This is the longest part of the story usually. This introduces the major conflict and builds up the suspense for that major conflict until we get to the climax. That's where our major conflict happens. This part's most likely to contribute to your theme. So when you're looking for theme, look here. Lastly, we have falling action and resolution. This is where the conflict ends, it gets resolved. It doesn't necessarily mean that there's a happy ending, but there's some kind of closure to the entire thing. What you need to do now is type a summary of each part of the story in the corresponding boxes. So there's the exposition, rising action, climax, and falling action and resolution. So type in the different parts of the story, just type in a few sentences for each that summarize what happened in that part of the story. Lastly, you need to figure out your theme. So you need to go back and look at the major events from your plot outline that you just created and create a theme statement for the story. Remember, a theme statement should have a topic, claim, and qualification. You can type that in right into this box here. Remember that this should be a full sentence and should be universal, so it shouldn't apply only to the landlady story, it should apply to everyone. Then you need to go and find two pieces of direct evidence that you think support your theme. So those should be directly from the story, take them word for word from the story, put quotation marks around them, and then parenthetically cite them by putting parentheses and the author's last name in them. Since it's online, you won't have page numbers, so you'll just have the author's last name. If you have questions, please let me know, and when you're finished, you can turn it in on Schoology. Have a great day.